Let's start with checking out my intonation that I discovered about a year ago. We start in C major. Alright, let's go back to the normal one, the tempered intonation. A little bit of a shorter way of playing. Let's see. We are now in C sharp. Let's go to we are in C. Let's go to C sharp or something, and try to play 5-1. Oh, sorry. Let's try a bit lower down. It wobbles a bit there. Let's see how this normal one wobbles, the tempered. It is this one. This was mine, yeah. This that we heard just now. We go to another key. Now I switch back to the tempered. That was tempered. And now this 1, 2, 3, 4 intonation that I discovered. Again, tempered. Even one half tone up. We are in D. That was the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the tempered. This was mine, now tempered. One, 2, 3, 4 again. And tempered. Thank you for listening.